So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to see Passkey activities on Gmail. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Gmail app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Now open your Gmail app and tap on your profile icon which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on manage your Google account. Then scroll down below and you will see the option of security and sign in. Then scroll down. Then you will see the option of passkeys and security keys. So tap here. Then verify it. Then see, here is your Passkey activities or history. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.